Hey, so today is Monday, so it would be 7 days past transfer. I'm doing another test today. Yesterday's test was pretty close to the same one. The line was pretty close to as dark as the first one. Forgive me, I just woke up, so I'm looking at it. So I'm about to dip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we wait. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm still half asleep. I really hope that the line is darker today than it was yesterday. They're starting to go. So I was thinking about my initial reaction finding out that I'm pregnant, because I didn't know what to expect. Was I gonna be sad, happy, in disbelief? Wasn't sure. I don't think I expected to ugly cry like I did. And I was thinking I probably was so overwhelmed because of how much I've been through, and it was probably the grief, all the worry just kind of leaving my body almost at once. Okay, it's developing. It hasn't, I don't think it's quite been 3 minutes yet. So there's definitely a line. I'm a little bit worried because I think it's lighter than yesterday. Because it's definitely not darker. Yeah, it's definitely been 3 minutes by now. That's not a good sign. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Well, that sucks. I think it's lighter. Okay, I'll probably insert a picture of the 3 tests side by side. And I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow. That's like definitely lighter. It sucks. It's still Monday, and I recently got back from my doctor's appointment with the cardiologist, and that went well. He agrees that probably what I was experiencing a few weeks ago with the arrhythmia and the like near fainting spells was a combination of not responding well to the estrogen, and then also having something called a vasodilation, I forget, but like the fainting thing is some sort of, anyway, it's fine. He's scheduled a stress test for my heart just to be extra safe. So I'll be doing that soon. And I've had some more time to like look at and think about my pregnancy test, because like as you saw a little bit earlier this morning, I was concerned that today's line wasn't darker than yesterday, and that it's kind of remained the same for the last 3 days. But I think so this was the first test I took. I don't know if you'll be able to see that super well, but you can see that like there's a slight yellow tinge to the test because I was pretty dehydrated when I took it, which is also why I think it looks purple versus yesterday's, as an example, is much more pink. And I think that the lines like so yesterday's and today's, the lines look kind of similar in terms of how dark they are, but if you take a pregnancy test when you're dehydrated, the HCG will be concentrated. So what I'm thinking is that probably if I wasn't dehydrated when I took the first test on Saturday, the line would have been even fainter than it appears. It's just that my pee was like concentrated. So here are the tests from yesterday and today. They look very similar. I thought today's was a bit lighter, but they actually look pretty identical. So that's not bad. That's I think pretty typical. And I was looking at pictures of people's line progression who've used the same test before. And it seems that for like 6 and 7 days past transfer, how dark my line is like pretty standard. So I don't think I have anything to be worried about right now. But you know, time will tell. So hopefully tomorrow's test is a little bit darker. But yeah, look at that. I'm so excited. Yeah. Okay, have a good day.